In this video, we will show you how to record on Zoom Meetings application. When you as co-host or host, you can record your Zoom meeting while participants need permission from the host or co-host. How to record the Zoom meetings? First, in here, for example, we already in meetings. I will disable my audio first and click start. After we enter the meetings, to record the Zoom meetings, we can just click the more, okay, and then choose record. Okay, after you choose the record, now the meeting is recorded. If you do anything in here, you will record it by Zoom. For example, here, let's start a screen share. I'm open the RTF files and choose share. Okay, I will share my file here and click share. Now in here, I'm presenting this file and let's see. Later we will see the video. Okay, after that, we can click stop share here. And to end the record, you can just click here and choose stop recording. You can see the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Then we can try to end the meetings and click end meeting for all. Okay, now our recording or our file is converted. Let's see after finish and play our files. I'm not recording the audio, of course. Okay, this is our recorded meetings. We can open this. Okay, you can see this is our recorded meetings with sharing file also. And how to find if you forget this folder, you can open the Zoom and choose Hub. After you choose Hub, you can see you can click recordings. After that, choose computer recordings and you will see the listed file, the file of your recorded meetings. Okay, that's all tutorial how to record meetings using Zoom applications. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.